just wearing the same outfit I wore when I went to go walk Mika this morning. It's just like my little sports bra that I've had forever, Lululemon leggings, this like Kith jacket that I actually thrifted, and then I'm just gonna put some sneakers on. Okay, gotta give the baby her treat toy. Okay.
Breathing was annoying. It was just one of those days. Look at my calendar. I'm like, is my period around the corner?
So I thought I would tell you guys a little bit about my acupuncture session while I'm eating dinner. I had acupuncture at 10:30 and it's 6 p.m. now. And I'm feeling pretty sore. Given I did play basketball and take bar class like yesterday and the day before, so I was already feeling quite sore, like my body was very sore going into acupuncture, but definitely there's just like a lot of soreness, but also weakness. I had honestly no idea what the purpose of acupuncture is. I just have heard so many great things, which is why I wanted to try it. And so yeah, it's interesting. So afterwards, after the first session, more than anything, I felt a huge, enormous release of emotions, which I was not expecting at all. That was definitely a very, very interesting feeling. And yeah, I just really struggled with kind of dealing with some of those emotions that were coming out, that were like relieving themselves from my body, from my stress, from my tension. This time I did, like as soon as I left, or as soon as I finished, I did feel the same kind of like release of emotions, but I think I'm a little bit more well prepared for it this time than I was last time. I expected it a little bit more this time, so I am just taking it easy tonight, taking it slow. But I will say, after my last session, it does like take a little while for you to notice a difference, but I just started realizing that my neck pain and my neck tension and shoulder tension just weren't coming back, or at least that pain was a lot more absent than before. And so I'm kind of expecting the same thing. She went a little easier on me this time, just because my recovery process last time was quite long. It was like 4 days, and she says it should, we're gonna try to get it to just like a day and a half, or like, sorry, no, half a day or a day, so that I'm not just like struggling for a week after my acupuncture sessions. It is a lot more than I thought it was. You know, I always thought it's like you do acupuncture to fix certain muscle issues, but truly like it's helped me on a mental and emotional level. And I would say that there are a lot of things that acupuncture apparently helps with that I had no idea. So people get acupuncture for allergies, skin issues. Like I was just talking to her about some of my congestion in my skin, and she's like, okay, well, I'm gonna try to tackle that as well. There's, I think, a lot of good things that can come from it when you're able to circulate the blood in your body and just, I don't know, move the energy around in the right way. So yeah, What do you guys think about acupuncture? Have you tried it, and wasn't like, what did you get it for, and was it effective for you? Because it's been an interesting journey to say the least. Acupuncture, like, who would have thought? Seriously. Actually kind of late already. It's like about 8 p.m. now. I've just been working away on this video project. Also, I temporarily put my previous keyboard like that on the shelf as a display because I've been trying out this new keyboard from Yunzi. This sounds amazing, this keyboard. Okay. Quick preview of what this keyboard sounds like. I may or may not make like a proper video on this, but like for a pre-built keyboard right out of the box, that sounds pretty good. It uses Gateron black keys. I've never tried them before, but I really like them. I'm making some quinoa instead of rice today, just because, I don't know, I feel like having some quinoa. I'm trying to remember the ratio for quinoa and water. Come. Sit down. We're gonna watch some Harry Potter. We're gonna watch some Harry Potter. Let's hope Prime Video has Harry Potter though, because I'm gonna be really upset. I'm gonna be really upset if I can't just easily stream Harry Potter. It's like 5:30 right now. I'm just gonna walk over to my Legree class. I decided to take an extra early one today at 6 a.m., which is their first one, just because, why not? Well, it's actually because I'm headed to Janice's later today, and I want to start heading there kind of like just before 8 so I can like start my day. So that means I need to go to the 6 a.m. one. I did make myself a little coffee though. I don't know if I necessarily needed it, but I think it's just nice to have an extra boost of energy in the morning. Outfit, I just got this hat. Actually, let me show you on this side. So I think the lighting's always better. Okay, I just got this hat from Legree, but I was walking out and I was like, this is so cute. It just says, slow down. I'm definitely not going to need this sweatshirt, but Janice has her AC on though throughout the day, so I feel like I might get kind of chilly. So hat from Legree, sweater essentials, set is Adanola that I stole from Bernice. And then I'm just gonna wear my New Balances, and yeah, we're gonna head out.
still just on your own.
All right, hello, I'm back home now. I've unboxed a whole lot of stuff. I got some things for the home today. It's like nothing really exciting. I got a knife sharpener. I got some pasta bowls and stuff. And actually got sent this package. This is such a mess. I needed a bike lock. I got a new Manfrotto tripod, which I'm using right now because I somehow lost mine during the move. It's completely disappeared. I've looked in every nook and cranny, but just watch, one day it'll just pop up and it's gonna be so silly, but I needed a new one. And then I got sent a big bottle of sourpuss with little shot glasses. Should I do a shot? No, that's crazy. Good. I made the mistake, I realized, of not cutting up my cauliflower small enough. So I was just kind of like breaking them down into the skillet as much as I can, just so they will cook a bit easier. I'm having my dinner with some bamboo shoots. I like eating foods with like a little side like this, because I just find that it cuts the flavor a little bit and just like makes your meal a little bit more interesting. So I always opt to eat something like this along with my food. I just got a really exciting package, and obviously I have to share it with you because you made this happen. Let me read this to you. Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan I can't pronounce her last name. Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. This is really, really exciting. I honestly never could have imagined that I would have this, because I just never would have imagined that, I don't know, that I would get here. This was never like a goal. I feel emotional, oh my god. This was never like a goal to build a huge YouTube following. Like, that's not why I do this, but thank you. I've been feeling really inspired lately, and like maybe it does have something to do with achieving this, because I don't know, you just like sometimes get lost in the numbers game, and it's like it loses all meaning, like these numbers. Like people are like, wow, you have 70,000 followers on Instagram, but like what does that mean? Like I don't really attribute those to real people sometimes. So when somebody comes up to me in the real world and goes like, hey, I am one of those followers, I'm like, whoa, like how do you know me? It's crazy to me, but something about reaching a milestone like this has kind of made me, I don't know, it makes it feel like I'm doing something, and I don't know, it feels good though, and I'm excited to do more of it, and I want to do better. Like I really do want to do better and more and just create more. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for following me and for supporting me, and for all of you that comment under every video. I really appreciate it, and it just makes me feel seen, which is so silly because I know people are watching and looking at my content, but like you guys make me feel heard and seen, and like I want to be able to do that for you guys as well by responding, by chatting, like whatever it is. Anyways, I did it. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want to get like too cheesy or emotional, but I want to figure out where I should put this. Yeah, I never expected to like get to this point, so I never thought about like where is my creator award gonna go when I receive it. So yeah, I'm actually in the middle of a work day right now, but that was like a lovely surprise. I'm headed out to a massage therapy session now, so I thought I would take you guys along with me and we can just do a little walking downtown. I actually need to take Mika out later. I feel bad that I haven't had the chance to yet before I'm leaving for this massage. I know she's kind of upset, but I'm gonna give her a little enrichment toy while I'm gone, and then yeah, I'll take her out later. Janice is coming over after work today too, so I think it'll be a really good day. Since moving downtown, I've really been loving walking everywhere. Everything is just so close. Plus, it actually takes longer to drive my car somewhere than it does to walk. So walking to appointments, workout classes, the groceries, all have felt like little events that I have been really enjoying. Anyways, I just want to thank you again for all of your support. Not only did you give me this award, but you gave me the opportunity to be creative, do something I love, and share little parts of my mundane little life. Not to mention, you gave me a really happy day. So without being overly cheesy, thanks, I love you, and I can't wait to create more this year for you guys.
The Sony 4K something, but
Oh my god, I got
she
a new
is a
handheld.
handheld video camera girl now. Handy cam. Ooh, say hi, Mika.
Oh my god, exciting! This is my gift to myself for
Hitting 100K. Congratulations.
Thanks.
She's a big girl now.
I'm a big girl.
I'm a big kid now. So today is August 19th. Did I say 19th?
Yeah.
And we just picked up, our camera. It's our sweater. Camera. So this is the Sony 4K something.
This way, Bubby.